Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an absolutely gorgeous 1972 Chevelle. It's had a 12-year, $100,000 body off frame, complete custom show quality build. This thing is nice. I think there's 22 or 2,300 miles on it since it's been finished. I bought this from the man that built it himself. This was his baby. This has not passed through several hands or passed through dealers. It's not a flipper car. This one's really dialed in and done nice. The attention to detail is excellent. You almost got to see the color in person. It's gorgeous. Frame off restored, 454, turbo 400 automatic. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the prices on all of the collector cars that we have for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin in this 72 Chevelle. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Let me get out of the way for a second. Just a stunning color. Almost looks like red chrome. And underneath the car looks the same way. They took the body off the frame. The underbody is all clean metal, no rust at all, and it's painted this nice under the car. The complete chassis has been all rebuilt and restored, and all the components are done in gloss black. They use polyurethane bushings throughout the suspension, so the whole front end's completely rebuilt. It's got Edelbrock gas shocks, has a Hotchkiss sway bar, and everything is new. The steering, the suspension, all of it. The rear suspension's all new. It has Hotchkiss trailing arms, it has Hotchkiss sway bar, also Edelbrock gas shocks, and polyurethane bushings. Bottom of the motor's clean. It's all chrome oil pan, flywheel cover, high torque starter. Turbo 400 transmission was professionally built to handle up to 750 horsepower. It has a nice finned aluminum pan. It has a custom-made aluminum drive shaft. It's a polished aluminum drive shaft. The 12-bolt rear end's completely rebuilt. 411 gears, heavy-duty ring and pinion. Has an aluminum cover. The fuel system's all new. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines. The brake system's completely rebuilt. It has disc in front. The emergency brake cables are all hooked up. It has a real nice custom Flowmaster exhaust. I think this one has a crossover pipe, and it has the cowbell tips coming out the back. So underneath this car is all proper, dialed in, show quality, rebuilt. The body's amazing, zero rust, no damage whatsoever in any of this metal, all clean metal, and it is laser beam straight from any angle you look at it. The gaps are square. It's just smooth, slick, feels like Teflon. The body is amazing. Looking across the roof, it's nice, no problem areas, no cracking, no bubbling. It's all smooth, all real nice. It's a Corvette color. It's a red metallic, and I don't know if you even notice them, but it's a darker red metallic stripes. There's 3 coats of color, 2 coats of color on the stripes, and then 5 or 6 coats of clear over all of that. And it's polished out like a mirror. $25,000 he spent on the paint job on this car. All new, lightly smoked glass. All the trim, the moldings, it's all been replaced. Has some nice polished torque thrust wheels, 17-inch. Door handles, window seals, weather strips. I mean, it's all been replaced. Look how nice that is. I haven't found a flaw in the paint yet. Maybe I missed one, but I haven't found one. Here's a little tiny nick that's very nicely touched up right on the very edge of the hood, just a little one. It has cowl induction, working flapper. All the stainless trim, glass, all beautiful. it fits precisely up here. This is always a problem area. It fits real nice. Everything up here, the lenses, the grill, bumper, all looks new. Show quality motor, 454 with 550 horsepower. Doors shut beautifully. Fits really nicely. So the inside is just as nice, and the door jambs too, by the way, are slick. The hardware, the latches, everything is slick. Has these really nice, I think they're Pro Car seats. They really hold you in place. The back seat's upholstered to match. Brand new center console, new carpet, new seat belts, embroidered Chevelle floor mats. Inside the trunk, all clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. Has a nice carpeted and embroidered Chevelle mat. Comes with a car cover. Under the trunk lid, the jam, spotless. The weather strip's a little chewed up right here for some reason. Tilt column with a nice deluxe wheel. Has digital gauges, retro stereo, door panels, armrests, window cranks. Everything's new. The light works on the console, light works on the headliner, the vents, the heater control panel, pedals, everything's new. It's got an upgraded heater control panel. It looks like a vintage air unit. So the motor is completely rebuilt. It has Keith Black pistons, aluminum heads. They've been ported and polished. Edelbrock intake with a dual feed Holley carb. It's got premium fittings on the fuel line and on the heater hoses. It does have a mini AC compressor, serpentine belt system. Got the whole billet bracket and pulley system in front. Chrome power steering pump, fuel regulator. So it's got an aluminum radiator, polished overflow, 2 electric fans, a polished aluminum water pump. That's all plenty good to keep it cool. Some nice finned aluminum valve covers, billet plug wire holders, big coated headers. It's an MSD ignition system. The whole engine bay is painted slick like the outside, and it has those real nice $700 billet hinges too. As I sit in the car, you look around, it's got kick panel speakers, the mirror's new, the visors, headliner's new and tight, the mirror looks new, the dash fits nice. Not only does everything look new, but it all comes together just right. They were meticulous. The front door jamb here is slick as the outside of the car. So why don't we hear how it sounds? Very responsive, got a nice healthy cam. Cowl induction door is moving when they give it the gas. Nice stainless steel upper hose. Chrome brake system, new wiper motor, smooth firewall. You might notice there's like a canister on the inner fender. It's because it's got a hot cam, so it doesn't create enough vacuum. So that canister is a vacuum reservoir. But man, doesn't it sound awesome? This is just the ultimate car. We have a lot of Chevelles and Camaros. They're all awesome. This one is exceptional. This is one of the ones that are above and beyond. Whoever buys this is going to be a very fortunate person. You're going to get compliments like you have no idea, especially because of the color. That's my impression of this 72 Chevelle, but you can go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They'll answer your questions and concerns the best they can. They can also help get this financed, delivered to any driveway in the country. That's at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.